Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So I come up with my second video in which I am going to explain the procedure to register for ORE exam.
So, before appearing in ORE exam, it is mandatory to provide proof of English proficiency to GDC, for which you can choose any of the following ways: IELTS academic exam or IELTS UKVI academic exam with overall band requirement of 7 and 6.5 minimum band required is in each section, that is reading, listening, writing and speaking. Other option is OET exam, which is meant for dentistry also, and required grade is B for OET exam. Recent dental qualification that has been taught and examined in English. For that, what you have to do is to get a transcript made from your institution from where you completed your degree. In that transcript, you have to mention that your entire course was taught in English. You can also provide recent experience of practicing in a country where the first and native language is English.
Besides providing proof of proficiency in English, it is mandatory to provide the evidence of clinical experience of at least 1600 hours, where you have personally treated patients in the dental chair. For more details, you can also visit the website www.gtcuk.org. Now we will talk about the attempts for ORE exam. For part 1, there are 4 attempts, and for part 2, there are also 4 attempts. Part 1 is conducted at King's College London, and part 2 is carried out at Royal College of Surgeons and Eastman Dental Institute. We must know for how many times we can appear in this exam. Part 1 of ORA is conducted twice in a year, that is in April and August. And part 2 of this exam is conducted thrice in a year, that is January, April, and September. About the results are declared within the 20 days of sitting in the exam. Then, coming to the examination fee, the examination fee for part 1 is £806 per attempt, and for part 2 it is £2,929 per attempt. A bit more detail about the components of the exam. Part 1 of ORE exam has two components, paper A and paper B, as mentioned in the previous video. Paper A covers clinically applied dental science and human disease. Paper B covers clinical aspects of dentistry, including law and ethics and health and safety. Part 2 of ORE exam has 4 components: an operative test on a dental mannequin, an objective structured clinical examination, a diagnostic and treatment planning exercise, a practical examination in medical emergencies. Thank you all for watching, and please do like and subscribe my channel ORE Revision.